green. Coldenhoff alongside Prado. And the Dutchman leads here on lap 4. And Febvre goes through on Geiser as well and moves into 4th place. Oh, and almost carves his way up the inside of Bogers. Does Febvre. Febvre dives down the inside of Brian Bogers. It's been a busy lap for overtakes here. We'll bring you some replays in a moment, but let's just get things settled. We've got a new leader in the form of Glenn Coldenhoff. And Febvre has found his way past Bogers. And Flanders has moved past Tim Geiser. All change on lap 4. But Glenn Coldenhoff, your new leader. Prado 2nd, Febvre in green 3rd, Bogers in 4th place. Flanders now 5th, Geiser 6th, Maxim Renault 7th.